The first day, first show, and everyone wants to catch the first day, first show. John, these three people that you see, here, they were the first people to come to the PVR hall in hope to get the ticket. John did not get it, but finally now he has the ticket. Let me ask him how excited he is now, because he's going to go and watch the 12 o'clock show, right?
Yeah, actually I'd come early morning 9 o'clock to get the show, but we hadn't gotten it, and then finally now we have gotten the 12 o'clock show, and really we're all three of us are really excited because we got the tickets, and it's like the first day for sure we're going to see Harry Potter finally.
You must be coming across so many fans like these, crazy fans like this. You have been benevolent and given them tickets, but there are so many fans who haven't managed to get the tickets. What's this whole scene like?
There are many teenagers, children and parents of the children coming and requesting us, but we can't do anything because everything is sold out. We have tried to play this in Classic, Europa and Gold also, but all three areas of cinema have been sold out till Monday. So now the latest information I've got from my staff is even Monday is totally sold out. So now we are planning to open advance from Tuesday onwards. So
how is the response to this film, as compared to other films, Harry Potter films?
It's the same response, and the craze is just building on and on. It's not diminishing in any way.
How crazy, you are about Harry Potter. What is the whole phenomena? I just realized it today that it's not any film, any other film. It's a religion.
Yeah, it's like, it's magic, it's fantasy. We are actually, when we are watching the movie, we are taken into a whole new dimension, a whole new world in which we can see everything that's going on in magic form, and that too magic in between the ordinary people. That's what Harry Potter is all about. It's basically the wizarding world, and a whole new a world that we thought did not exist is brought about alive by these movies, as well as the author J.K. Rowling.
You've come to, how excited you are to watch Harry Potter get his girlfriend, get his first kiss, and all the special effects that you find in this film.
See, talking about the girlfriend as such, initially I was disappointed. Now there are butterflies. Now what's he gonna do on the screen? And talking about the special effects as such, see, special effects as such I'm very interested in, because as a child you will always dream of, if I could do this, if I could do that, if I could do that. Now suddenly you get on screen a person doing all that for you. So that's what makes it a sort of a culture, because it's the dream of every boy to do. Yeah, if I could do like Harry Potter what he is doing, I could do all that stuff. That's what relates. That's the most magical part of it.
So there you go. People from across the different corners of Bangalore are flocking to theatres to catch the first day, first show of the film.
Absolutely, Sharida. Yes, we can see excited fans there.